So we are going to make a recycler view with multiple view types. First of all, let me create another package here. This is the last package that we have in the app. And maybe later on we are going to add some views and more advanced views for RecyclerView if we found not similar of these packages that we have created. So multi-view type. I will name it multi-view type. In this package, I will create a new activity, empty activity. I will call it multiple view type activity. Okay. So I will import the R, import the class, and before we miss, I will go to the main activity and the main activity layout. I will drag and drop a button here, a button, and it will be named top button. Okay. Adding some constraint to it, and I will make its ID as multi-view refactor, and I will give a text for it, RecyclerView with multiple view type. Okay, this is multiple view type. Okay, this is the button. So this is the ID of it. It would be the button number 4, sorry, button number 6, button btn 6. Okay, so the button number 6, it would be for the activity of the multiple view types. Copying and pasting this and swipe, I will make it as multi-view, okay? And it will take us to the activity that we have created in before, type, multiple view type activity. Okay, we have done with the main activity. Now let's move and concentrate onto our package. So this is the package. The trick in this video and the trick in this multiple view type is the adapter, the view holders, and switching between the two layouts. So we have two different layouts that we need to configure. Before we create the adapters and the model class, we need to create two layouts. The first one, I will create it. It is called item_email. It will be designed for displaying the email of the person. I will copy and paste the code for this because our main thing is not making it's not making the layouts. Our main goal is making the UX of the app and understanding how RecyclerViews work. You can pause the video and copy this, write it down, or you can download the source code and the layouts from our Udemy course in the link of the description below. And I will need to create another layout. It's for call. So two layouts, one for email and one for the call, item_call. Okay, Also, I will paste the code here. I remove this and everything is working fine. This is the layout. Okay. And everything is working fine. Now, let's concentrate about the logic of this app. Let's create in this package a model class called multi-employee. Inside this class, I will create a private string name, private string address, private string phone, and a private string email. Look guys, we have a name and an address, and one of the layout will display for me the phone, and one of the layouts and the other will display the email. So for this, we are not going to make a constructor. So the constructor here will like be mandatory, making us all layouts or all items look the same. But we don't need to make all the layouts the same. We need the item. First item would, or items would describe a call or phone call, and the other would describe an email. So for this purpose, I am not going to make a constructor, or you can make two constructors for this. But for making and purpose of simplicity, I will make only getters and setters for all of these data. Okay, these are the getters and these are the setters. Okay, we have finished with making the model class. Okay, here let's go to the drag and drop RecyclerView and close this layout in order not to miss anything. Adding zeros, and here the zero. I will name it multiple view RV. Okay, closing it. And before we move to the multiple view type, we need to make an adapter. Java class multiple type adapter. So our work will be here. As I told you, we start also by extending RecyclerView dot adapter, passing the generic RecyclerView dot view holder. Okay, so I am going to start with the second step that I talked about. Class call view holder extends RecyclerView dot view holder, and inside this class I will create the constructor for it. This is a call view holder, and I will create another class called email view holder extends RecyclerView dot view holder. I will create the constructor for this also, and here we go. Some people is asking why I did not make as a previous videos, like we put here the view holder, the name of the view holder, call view holder. Why we are not making call view holder. Because guys, it's the trick in this video. Since we are making a recycler view that will switch between two views, we are subjected to make two classes extending view holders, which means we are making two view holders, the one for the call and the second for the email. So one for the phone number and the second for the email of two view holders. For that, we didn't specify here which view holder we are going to use. So as in the previous videos and the previous couple of minutes, we have used the call view holder as this, but we have two view holders. We don't specify here which one we are going to use. Okay, guys? So it's very important to first make the view holder here and create two view holders. And in the step number 1 that we always start by using step number 2, then 1 in the adapter class, in the constructor, we are going to specify it also on bind view holder. So till now, if you understand everything, so it's very clear. And we are proud of making like these complex application and understanding these views. So I will copy it like this in order to make some fasting in the video. This is the constructor view holder, and this is a method called setCallDetails, just making the widgets text view and the text view. So this is for the call layout. In the same way, I will copy and paste the email. I'm copying and pasting because we work with these many in this videos and this series. We have created this as 5 times, so I will not make them at the 6 times. So it's the same. This is the recycler view, the email view holder for the email, and we have created the call view holder for the phone number. Okay, this is very important. Now, guys, we go back to the most important part. I copy and paste because I want to concentrate on this logic. So how to switch between the two view holders and the two layouts. Concentrate with me in this minutes. I will create a private static integer called type underscore call equal to 1, and private static integer type underscore email, okay, equal to 2. I have created 2 static integers, and I will create, as we have learned, I need to create a context. I will name it context, and I will create a array list of multi-employee. This is the model class that we have created now, employees. Okay, till now, the new thing that we have learned now is making view holder, not specifying a call view holder or email view holder. And we have created 2 view holders that extends view holder. Okay. we have created also the two integers, and these are the same as we have learned before. Now, let's move and create a constructor. I will create a constructor here containing the context and employee. And also, as we have learned, we need to implement the methods. Implement the methods. And here we go on create view holder, on bind view holder, and get item count. These are the three magic methods. Guys, the most important part in this video is in this view holder class, view holder method. We start by making a view. If we need to switch between the two views, one for the view, the call and the phone number, and the second is for email. So if view type equal to type call, this will display a call layout. View equal layout inflator dot from context dot inflate r dot id dot layout dot call item underscore call. We are going to display the call, and here is the parent, and here we go the false. Attached to root is false. Okay, so everything is working. Return new call view holder and pass the view. It's very simple, guys. This we have learned before. The new thing is switching between the if, the type call, and the email call or type call. Okay, this is for or display the email layout. Also the same, I will copy and paste this, copy and paste them, layout inflator and item underscore email. Okay, and here I will paste the view holder. It's very simple, guys, and we have learned how to switch between the view holders. Now, on bind view holder, I will put here if get item view type. I need to implement this method. So above I will override this method, override methods, and I will search for get item view type. Get item view type, and I need to remove this. And if text utils dot is empty, employees dot get position dot get email, go and switch the type and put the type for return type call. What I am telling here, I am telling the Android Studio to check, or our application to check, if the employees list or item in the list employees does not contains email, or it is empty. So if the email, go and get the email. If it is empty, put the type of the view to call view and display, go and display a call layout. If else, it will display an item email. So it is, if it's containing email, go and display return type email. In this way, we have see how to make the algorithm of switching the two layouts. Okay, it's very important to understand how to make these layouts and how to make, I think, a logic of making the switch between the two layouts. I will create here like this. If the getItemViewType, it is a type call, go and display this. Else, go and display an email view holder and get the position and the get items from the email holder. And last method I need to configure in this adapter is returning the employees.size. Okay, guys? So, as a recap for what we have done in this adapter class, it's very important to understand that this adapter class has two, I will collapse this. Okay. We have created this multiple array adapter. In this adapter, I will have extending the adapter view holder, and we didn't specify any custom view holders. Why? Because in this view holder, in this class, we have two types of view holders. We have call view holder and email view holder. And this is why we name it as multiple type adapter. So we have two views, two layouts we are going to display. Then we have implemented the methods, the onCreate view holder, and we specify the each type and its layout. And in item view type, we have checked if the email, if the item of the recycler view did not contain email, so go and display it in a call. Otherwise, if it's having an email, go and display it into the layout of email. Also on bind view holder, we have seen and get item count. We have finished the adapter class. Now let's move and add some data to our main layout. In the main layout, we need to construct and declare the recycler view here, recycler view, and initialize it into the onCreate path. Okay, so RecyclerView equal find view by ID r.id dot multiple view RV. And in this method, I will create insert data to RV. Create a method, and here we go. Now, I will create an array list of multiple multi-employee. I will call it employees new array list. And now I will add some data to it. And we will add the data to the list. So first of all, I will create a employee. I will make an instance from this called employee equal new multi-employee. And employee dot set name. I have here, guys, I have created an array list of type multi-employee. And now I am making an instance of this class called employee. The first employee would be, I will call it here employee1. Employee1 dot set name. I will make it Muhammad. And employee number one, also set address. I will make it in New York. And the employee one dot set phone. We have set phone and set email. Let us make the first one has a phone plus 01, and for example this. Now employees, this is the array list. I'm going to put inside this array list this object of type multi-employee inside it, so I make add employee. Okay, in this way I have created the first one, which is a phone item. Okay, let us create an array, an email here, an email item. The same way here, I will create new employee 2 equal new multi-employee, and here we go, we put 2 and 2. I will make it here multi-employee, and employees equal add employee 2. And despite using the set phone, I will make set email, and the email would be ali@gmail.com, and let me check Ali, and I will put here London. Okay, this is an email item and this is a phone item. Let us create also another data. I've copied this. Okay, employee 3. This is multi-employee, and this multi-employee. This is 4 and this is 3, 3, 3, and 3. This is 4, 4, 4, and 4. Okay, in this way we have done adding the data. Now let's set adapter. Setting the adapter is done by multiple type array adapter equal new type adapter, passing the context and the employees as the array lists of this constructor, and set layout manager, adding the linear layout manager. In this way we have configured our recycler view. Now let's close it, and now let's run our application. So guys, if you want to help us making new tutorials, if you love our course, rate us 5 stars on Udemy, get daily uploads on Udemy. We are expanding this course to make it the biggest one in the world. Now also subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit like and comment, and share it with your friends. We are adding everyday uploads. Don't miss to download Master Coding download Master Coding application on Play Store so you get everything written. courses and all coding tutorials. Now, let's click this. And here we go, guys. We have here London, NYC, and SW. This is okay. We see that the phone image is not showing correctly, so I will add a drawable for it. So I have copied this drawable. I will paste it here inside the drawables. It's called phone. This is the phone PNG. I open the item call. This is the layout. I will call it call Android drawable. I will make it this drawable at phone. So in this way we have configured it correctly. Now let's run again and see. Okay, now reinstall the application and restart it. So after running, we have here, click on RecyclerView with multiple, and here we go, guys. We have seen that there is a phone icon here, and this is the item. Let me show you what I am talking about. So we have 4 elements. The first one for the item, the phone item, which is here. The second one is for the email, which is here, and this is the icon. The third one having an email, which is here. And the fourth one is having the phone, which is here. So in this way, we have succeeded in making an app that have multiple views and multiple item views. So guys, this is our application. I'm very proud of making this application, and if you have I convince you and advise you to open your laptop, your Android Studio, and start coding with me. Don't just watch me and code. Open your PC, open your laptop, start coding your own codes. Follow me and start making your own apps. This is our application that we have succeeded in making in normal RecyclerView, and we have created a CardView. We have created a single selection, and we get the selected item. RecyclerView with multiple selection. We have here get selected, and we have the swipe items, which is here. We click on the edit and we click on the delete, and the last one is here. So guys, I am very proud of you. I am making very complicated courses and videos. So help me to help you more and more. If you have any tutorials, any requests, comment it below, message me. I am here, and me and my team, to help you making professional Android applications and master coding in all languages. So thank you guys. I hope you stay from Corona, and see you next videos.